Hi everyone, I've had a few of you reach out about placing orders online and how to use our website. So I wanted to come onto here and give you a quick rundown on how things work. So this is the main screen of my Epicure page at clairedisher.epicure.com. If you wanted to go ahead and shop, you can either go by the catalog or shop individual products. You've got our cookware, food, and all the things that are must-haves right now. If you go into the catalog, it'll actually load. You can start swiping through, you can zoom in and out. If you are looking for something specific, you can also use the search function and look for, say, lemon dilly. Once you've typed in lemon dilly, all of the recipes that are included with the lemon dilly spice, as well as going under products, you can see how you can get the lemon dilly. If you wanted to buy it, you can hit full details or quick view and add to your basket. Upon checkout, it'll give you some helpful ideas that they think you'll like. And this is where you can log into an account if you already have one or make a new account. If you're looking for a recipe, say you're wanting something like 20-minute meals, you can use the search bar to type that in, and anything related to that will also pop up. You can go ahead and scroll through anything that sounds interesting or crosses your mind. You can actually go into it and look to see what it has. The underlying spices are the ones that we are currently offering to make it easy to know what you need to buy. If you're curious as to what the nutritional info are, you can also expand that one and look at the calories and sugar and such. That also works if you go into one of our spices. This is the Asian stir fry. The description tells you what's in it, as well as opening the nutritional info one will tell you exactly what's in it as well. I love how they also give you options how to use it. Hopefully that helps. If you have any more questions, I'm here to help. On the page as well, just bring to your attention, on the page as well, you can also go into what is trending right now. Our Summer Strong collection is a big hit. You can also learn about joining if you would like to start your own career with Epicure. You can also learn more about hosting. Hosting is a great way to start earning rewards, to start getting free stuff. There's lots to see on the website. I highly encourage you to go in and start shopping yourself.